racing just is started with Boss Barawana. Break quickly at the start. Running by the rail, devoted minstrel in the middle portion. Now is Brave Lorky. And on the outside comes Play the Music, Sing Lorky. While I Love Money is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have devoted minstrel by about a length and a half. And in second is Boss Barawana. 3 lengths further back in third comes Seeing Lorky. Moving up on the outside is Play the Music. In the middle portion comes Brave Lorky. While I Love Money is still racing and less back to the leader. The lead now belongs to Boss Barawana by over a length and a half. And in second Seeing Lorky. Then comes Devoted Minstrel. Then next on line is Play the Music. And on the inside comes I Love Money, while Brave Lorky is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Boss Barawana, this time by about 8 lengths. And in second is Seeing Lorky. In moving up for the outside now is Devoted Minstrel. In the middle portion now is I Love Money. That's 100 meters. We have Boss Barawana now racing away over Seeing Lorky. And finally Boss Barawana. Seeing Lorky, then comes I Love Money, Devoted Minstrel.